Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to score a free Wish promo code for amazing discounts on all your favorite products. Just follow along and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, head over to easycoupon.co/wish or simply scan the QR code on your screen to access the site instantly. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is enter your email address. This is super important because your promo code will be sent directly to your inbox. I'm typing in my email now so you can see how easy it is. Next, select your device, whether you're on an Apple or Android phone, and click Continue. Since I'm using an Android, I'll go with that option. The site will then start generating your Wish promo code right away. To verify that you're a real person and not a bot, you'll need to download 2 free apps from the Google Play Store. These apps are totally free and come from reputable publishers with millions of downloads, so there's no need to worry. After downloading, open and use each app for about a minute. Some apps might ask you to register or reach a certain level within a game, like level 9 or 10. This is just a standard verification step to make sure you are a real human and not a bot, and it's totally worth it because your promo code won't be sent unless you complete it. I'll speed up the process now with some background music as I finish up the apps. All set. I'm refreshing my email, and there it is, my free Wish promo code. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome deals and savings tips. Enjoy your shopping spree at Wish, and happy savings!